Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Alt. In this lesson, we'll talk about very old stuff. Alt, 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 alt. Just watch out not to mix it up with the English pronunciation. Alt is an adjective meaning old, aged or ancient. Meine alten Möbel sind auf dem Dachboden. My old furniture is in the attic. Alt und grau werden. To grow old and gray. Sie sind alle alt. They are all old. Jung und alt. Young and old. Doppelt so alt. Double the age. You will often see it in this sentence. Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. I'm 40 years old. Or with some other age, of course. And this. Wie alt bist du? How old are you? Alt, älter, am ältesten. If you're not sure what you're looking at, this is the adjective comparison of the adjective alt. And if you're already familiar with the German comparison rules, you will recognize that this one is definitely not a regular one. Usually, with nice, regular, normal adjectives, the rule is this. Positive, whatever the adjective is. Comparative, added ending er. And superlative, added am in front of the adjective plus the ending sten or ten. But if you look here, you can see that in addition to all of that, this one will also change a into a mit umlaut, the two cute little dots. So alt, old, älter, older, am ältesten, the oldest. For example, dieses Handy ist alt. Dieses Handy ist älter. Dieses Handy ist am ältesten. And look at this. Unser Haus ist älter als euer Haus. Our house is older than your house. When comparing two things, we will put als, meaning than, between them. Älter als, older than. And I also have one more, a little bit more advanced thing, but just to mention it. Unser altes Auto, our old car. Why altes and not alt here? Because adjectives in German will need to be declined, meaning they will change their endings depending on the type of sentence and noun they go with. But don't worry, this is already pretty advanced stuff, and you don't need to know it right now. I'm just mentioning it so you don't get confused if you stumble upon it somewhere. Don't want to bother with declining your adjectives? I get it. Then just push the adjective to the end of the sentence with the verb ist. Just like this. Das sind sehr alte Möbel. Die Möbel sind sehr alt. Tada! Problem solved. Now you don't have to change anything. Alt is an adjective meaning old or aged. Its gradation will be alt, älter, am ältesten. Like all adjectives, it will have to go through a painful change through different cases, called adjective declension. But now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Say these sentences in German and write your answers in the comments below to get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Check out if you want a free course and also see the answers to these exercises in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!